Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the battery in a 2016 Porsche Cayenne Key Fob. Open the key fob at the seam near the key ring using a small flat tool and pry gently. Remove the old CR 2032 battery and note its orientation. Insert the new CR 2032 with the correct polarity, press the case closed until clips engage, and test the fob buttons to confirm operation. Use the notch near the key ring to start splitting the fob halves with a flat tool. Pry slowly and feel for plastic clips releasing, then separate the top cover. Move the circuit board aside enough to expose the battery, taking care not to bend contacts. After battery replacement, realign the circuit board and press the two halves together until you hear the clips click and the fob feels secure. If you find this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum is great for busy car owners, offering voice control and smart navigation to keep floors tidy while you handle car tasks. It's a handy, time-saving tool that pairs well with DIY weekends. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Confirm battery polarity by noting the visible positive side before removing the old CR 2032. Slide the new battery into place, ensuring it sits flush and makes contact with the terminals. Reposition the circuit board and snap the case halves together until secure. Test lock, unlock, and panic functions to verify operation, and only then return the fob to your pocket or key ring for normal use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.